Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to replace cabin air filter on Mazda CX-5 in 5 simple steps. From this Mazda CX-5 air fuel and oil filter service, we will replace the cabin air filter. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So this is the cabin air filter. We will use the MAN filter CU24009. You can find the genuine Mazda CX-5 filter in the video description below. And also you can find all the video tutorials for replacing the air, fuel and oil filter service kit in the video description below. So this is the cabin air filter. First you have to open the glove box and then squeeze those sides inward gently and pull downward the glove box. Then you have to release that stud from the right side of the glove box and then pull it out. Then remove the old filter, pulling that small tab up and then pull it out. Then insert the new filter back in the case with the airflow arrows down. And then install the glove box. Mount that stud back and then close the glove box. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.